we are going to do meditation for the night. Lie down in a comfortable position. With your feet apart, hands apart, body stretched out, and feeling completely relaxed. Start focusing on the body. And you may repeat after me in your mind to relax the part of the body that I'm suggesting. Relaxing your toes. Become aware of the toes and relax your toes by becoming aware. My toes are relaxed. Relaxing my soles, the heels and ankles. Both feet are relaxed.